For the next part, let's learn how to answer assignments in QLearn. In the navigation bar menu, click To-Dos. There are three types of to-dos. First is the active to-dos, next is the overdue, and lastly, the completed to-dos. Active to-dos shows all active assignments and its deadline. Make sure to complete all assignments before its due date. The overdue section shows assignments that are past due. You may still answer these assignments, but it's up to the teacher if they will record it or not. Lastly, the completed assignments shows all the coursework that you were able to finish. To start your assignment, click on the assignment title and the topic that you wish to answer in the active to-dos. In order for you to start answering your assignment, select Quiz in the topic pane. Once done, click Finish Quiz to submit your work.